Woo! We are in the image element. Now let's look at the image elements. The image, when you go to any browser any website without image is so. Anyway, I've not seen one yet. But seriously, when you create your web page without inserting elements, then your web page or your website becomes so boring. No one wants to even see it. So after this presentation, you will understand the use of image element. Okay, the image elements has an attribute called SRC, which is source. You've seen it in the previous presentation. Also has height attribute, width attribute, and then alt. And now I'll explain all this attribute for you. Now the source attributes, you specify the value. After passing out the attribute, you specify the value where your image is, and then the height, you will specify the height of your image, how you want it to be displayed on the screen. The width, to the same thing, the width of your image. Now the alt attribute, let's say assuming the person is loading your web page or your website, and then the data or the network is being slow. What should the person see? The person should see something, at least something, in order not to keep the person being bored. So you would pass an alt, which is alt attribute, and then the person would be able to understand that maybe this image means John Mahama and then Kafa first president. Sorry for using that. If okay, now adding image, you call the image element. The image element is a void element, and therefore when you open, you don't have to what? Close it. That is what you have to understand. So you call your image element, pass out your source. In this case, a shoe.png, so it will bring out a shoe image, and then I am passing out a height and a width. Now, if you really want your image to be structured very well, just pass out either height or width. Don't pass out both, because the ratio of height to width is not equal. But when you specify only height, HTML5 or HTML, the browser would automatically handle that corresponding ratio for you. So you can see me using alt also. Let's say the person has opened the web page or your website, and then the image is not displaying. What should the person see? So since it's a shoe picture, a picture of a shoe, then I'll just call an alt and then say shoe. So the person will know that this image is just a shoe, maybe an Air Max foot or something else. So that is an explanation to adding image in your browser or in your web page. I will teach you more on this when we are on the exercise video.